All right, so you're gonna watch GoPro Tim do some cooking today. And also, what the hell is that? Oh, a feather. Oh, these must be farm fresh chicken feathers. Anybody in your eggs? It's a sign of quality, top quality. Anyway, God, what there be a fucking bird in here. So I'm going to record the phone call that I'm about to make via the GoPro. See how that goes. It's not gonna stop me from messing with it. So, you know, I mean, you guys at this point know what I'm about. And that's doing shit the hard way. So, yeah, I figured I'd get the phone call. I'd get the phone call recorded, and we can do that together. And also, GoPro Tim's got to do some chores. So here we are. Not in the garage, so don't sue me. So yeah, I'm gonna call the guy right. You guys ready? I mean, I'm not, but. I'm already overdrawn. Hi, is this William? Yeah, so I purchased an engine from you guys, and I was the guy that was looking for residential delivery. Yeah, so I just want to... not going... I'm actually in Oregon. Yeah, it was kind of a one-off situation, so I mean, obviously I can give you the address if you need to pull up specifics or anything, but I kind of figured you'd remember. So I guess what would work best, because I got a card on file, or you know, in hand. If you're ready for that, you said it was 125, right? I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to catch you at a bad time. Oh shit. Okay. Would it... Okay. So I've got a specific card I'd like to use. I'm not sure, like, I could do that through PayPal or anything. So maybe just, yeah, like a credit card would probably be best. I can give you a call like first thing in the morning tomorrow, if that would work. Okay. I do, but I'm putting this on a Okay. So I guess we could try that then, right? You could, yeah, send me an invoice and I can try and push that through. Worst case scenario, I give you a call tomorrow and we just do it via credit card. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, I'll shoot you my email, and yeah, we can go from there. All right, sounds good. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. They're on Mountain Time, so he was headed home from work. Okay, so, all right, whatever. Well, that wasn't quite what I expected, but yeah, we're doing this. I still got to figure out the wiring, so that's gonna be fun. Tell me what you think. God, I'm terrible with my finances.